Hey guys, I'm back and let's start with this polynomial first exercise guys. So let's start with it. Firstly, if p of x equals to 5x power 7 minus 6x power 5 plus 7x minus 6, what is the first one? The given questions are first one, what is the coefficient of x power 5? Degree of p of x, and what is the constant term in this given polynomial? So this is what the given questions are. First one, if p of x, so here they have given an equation guys. They have given p of x equation. So first answer would be, so first one, what is the first question? What is the coefficient of x power 5? So the coefficient of x power 5. Firstly guys, let's know what is the coefficient. So here x power 5, this is x power 5, right? So the number which is there just before it, where here this is the x power 5, where minus 6x power 5, right? So here the number, the term, the constant term which is there, which is bonded to this variable is known as the coefficient. Clear? So therefore the variable is x power 5 and the number with this which is bonded to this variable is minus 6. So therefore the coefficient of x power 5 will be minus 6. Clear? Let's look up to the other one, where coefficient of x. If he asks like what is the coefficient of x, then what you do? Okay, you would say like x. Here you have x over here and the number which is there. Okay, so x is a variable, so the number which is bonded to this variable is what? 7. So therefore the answer would be what? 7. If the question is this, but the question is what is the coefficient of x power 5? Then therefore the x power 5 coefficient would be minus 6. Clear? Hope you understood. Now let's go for the second one. Second one, degree of p of x. So degree of p of x means the highest power in this given polynomial. Okay, the highest power in a polynomial is known as the degree. So p of x is a polynomial. So what is the highest power in this given polynomial? 7. So here the 7 is the degree of polynomial. Okay, 7 will be the degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial is the highest power guys. Okay, so the highest power of the polynomial is 7. So the degree of the polynomial will be 7. Next, constant term. Constant term is nothing but, you remember, like number. It's a constant term. It's a constant number. The number which is not having any variables is not. Variables means what? X, Y, Z, etc. So here, what is the constant term in this given polynomial? Means the number which is not having any variables is known as the constant term. It won't have any variables. Okay, so it's like single. I am the only single guy, so like that. So where this minus 6 is the constant term, it is given. So here minus 6 is the correct answer. Clear? Means constant term is where this constant term it won't have any variables bonded to it. Okay, it's only the number. It's something like constant one. Okay, it's a number. So that's called as constant term. Clear? So the coefficient means coefficient of x power 5 means where minus 6. And degree means the highest term in this given polynomial, where 7 is the highest term in this given polynomial, so 7 will be the degree. And what else we have? Constant term means it's a very single term which is not having any variables. This is having a variable where 7 variable is x, where minus 6 variables it's having x power 5, where 5 is also having a variable x power 7, but minus 6 is not having any variables. So here where minus 6 is 7. Let it be like if I place here minus 3, okay? If I place minus 3 over here, so then what would be the constant term in this given equation? Then it would be minus 3. Okay? If I place over here minus 3, then the constant term would be minus 3. Okay? So this is what happens. Clear? Clear with the first one? Let's go for the second one. State, so here in the second one, state which of the following statements are true or false. Okay? So here they are asking to state true or false. So the first, the second one, according to the given second question, so state whether which of the following statements are true and which are false. So give the reason. So here they are asking to state which are the following statements are true and which are the false, and give reasons for them. Okay. So the first statement is the degree of polynomial, where this is the given polynomial guys. So the degree of polynomial, the given polynomial is root 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is root 2. So the degree is root 2. They are asking check whether or state whether this given statement is true or false. So the statement is the degree of polynomial, the degree of given polynomial, this is the given polynomial, and this degree is root 2. They are asking. So what is the degree guys? As we have learned, the degree of the given polynomial. So what is the degree? Degree means the highest power in the polynomial, right? The highest power. So here the highest power is what? statement is what? False. Clear? The degree of constant term. So what is constant term? The term which is not having any variables. Variables means x, y, z. So which is not having any variables. Let it be a, b, c also a variable, right? So but the number, the term or the term which is not having any variable is known as constant term. Where 7, here 7 is not having any variable, so therefore 7 will be a constant term. But here what have they given? The degree of constant term is 0. Is this the correct one? Yeah. So the degree of constant term is definitely a 0, guys. Okay. So where the degree of constant, where 7 degree will be 0. Okay. Where this 7 will be not having any degree. So therefore the degree of a constant term is always 0. We know. So therefore the answer is what? True. So therefore the answer is true. Okay. So the given statement is true. Clear? Clear? Now let me go for the fourth statement. So here they have given a quadratic equation in the fractional form. So let me write down the statement firstly, then we will be discussing about it. 1 by x2 or x square plus 5x plus 6 maybe plus 6 is a quadratic polynomial. Is this true or false? Quadratic polynomial. Think and answer to this question. Let it be. Okay. So here where 1 by x square plus 5x plus 6 is a quadratic polynomial, we know that where quadratic polynomial is not in the form of a fractional form. Where quadratic polynomial is not in the form of a fractional form, so therefore quadratic polynomial cannot be a denominator. So here this is the form. If I write only this part of it, if I won't consider the numerator, then this might be a quadratic polynomial. But here what happened here, where this polynomial is in the denominator place, right? It's not in the numerator place, it's in the denominator place. Therefore, this is not a quadratic polynomial. Therefore, the answer will be what? False. The answer will be what? False. Okay, it's an incorrect statement. So the given statement is what? Incorrect statement. So the degree of a polynomial is 1 more than the number of its terms. Fifth one, the degree of the polynomial is 1 more than the number of its terms. Okay, number of terms in it or number of its terms. So here where the degree of polynomial is 1 more than the number of terms in it or number of its terms, then what would be the statement? So this is the given statement. Therefore the statement is false because where the degree is not connected to the number of terms. Okay, so the degree is not connected to the number of terms. Thus I can say that the degree of polynomial is 1 more than the number of its terms. Where this given statement is what? False. Okay. Where this polynomial is not connected, where this is not connected to the number of its terms, right? So therefore this is the given statement is false. Clear? So this is what the second question is. Let's go for the third. Third question, where if p of t equals to t cube minus 1, find the values of p of 1, p of minus 1, p of 0 and p of 2 and p of minus 2. So guys, the given polynomial is t cube minus 1. Okay, if p of t equals t cube minus 1, then find the values of. Now to find these values, to find the values of p of 1 or p of minus 1, it's nothing but there is a simple one where just substitute the one value in the p of t form. Okay, at p of t you place the 1. Okay, substitute the one value minus 1, 0, 2, minus 2 like that. Okay, now here let's substitute firstly where the solution over here. Where the first one is what? P of t, right? So the given equation is if p of 1 equals to t cube minus 1, then it would be what? P of 1 would be what? 1 cube minus 1. This is equals to 1 minus 1. 0. Okay? Therefore here I can say that when P of 1 equals to 0. Okay? According to the given equation where P of 1 equals to 0. Clear? And let's go for the second one where P of therefore minus 1 minus 2 is equals to minus 2. So therefore P of minus 1 equals to minus 2. Clear? What you do is guys, just go with instead of t, place 1 over here. Okay, instead of t you place these numbers, the given numbers over here. Either it would be minus 1, 0. Okay. So instead of t, place these numbers. Now here what you do? Try to solve the given questions according to this. Clear? Now let me go for the next one. Done with 0 and minus 1, right? So let's go for the next one. Where P of 0, okay, let it be now here, P of 0, where P of 0 equals 0 cube minus 1, what is, it gives minus 1, it will be the answer. So therefore, P of 0 equals to minus 1. Clear? Now let me go for the next one, where P of 2, where P of 2 means 2 cube, 2 cube minus 1. 2 cube means 2 2's 4, 4 2's 8, 8 minus 1, 8 minus 1 gives what? 7. So therefore, P of 2 equals to 7. Hope you understood. Okay. Now let me go for the next one where P of minus 2. We are done with the P of minus 1, P of 1, P of 0 and P of 2 as well. Now let's go for P of minus 2 where P of minus 2 equals to minus 2 whole cube. Minus 1. Minus 2 whole cube means minus 8, right? Minus 8 minus 1. Use what? Minus 9. Means minus minus plus, right? So 8 plus 1, 9. So minus symbol as this, here we have minus, here we have minus, so that's what I have placed minus. So this becomes what? Minus, and therefore P of 2. P of 2 equals to minus. Clear? Clear? This is what we will be solving the third one. Now we are done with the third one. The fourth one, check whether minus 2 and 2 are the zeros of polynomial. So they have given a polynomial x power 4 minus 16. Okay? So the next question, the fourth question is, the given fourth question is, check whether minus 2 and 2 are the zeros of given polynomial. What is the given polynomial? X power 4 minus 6. So this is the given polynomial. Now here check whether minus 2 and 2 are the zeros of polynomial. So here we should check. So here to make a check, okay, to check whether this minus 2 and 2 are zeros of the given polynomial or not, means what you do, just substitute the value in this given x value, x place, okay. So substitute the given value over here. So where the given values are what? Minus 2 and 2. So place minus 2 over here. At the place of x, what you do? Place minus 2, where minus 2 whole power 4 or minus 2. What would put it instead? Wait, let me answer it here. Then first let's check with 2. Okay? Let's check with minus 2, okay? Let's check with minus 2. Then the given equation is what, guys? The given equation is what? Then it would be what? Let it be where the given P of x, okay, P of x equals to x power 4 minus 16, okay. Then what would happen where P of minus 2 equals to minus 2 power 4 minus 16. Clear? 2 2's 4, 4 2's 8, 8 2's 16, right? So then 2 2's 4 means plus 4. 2 8 16 minus 8 into minus 2 gives plus 16, so this becomes what? 16 minus 16. If you go like this, if you do like this, guys, minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 into minus 2, okay? Well, minus 2 4, okay? Again minus 2 plus 4, well, 4 into 4 16. It is also correct like this, okay? But here the value is plus 16, okay? It's not minus 16, here the value will be plus 16, guys. So here plus 16 minus 16, this is equals to 0, so therefore I can say, if I substitute the minus 2 value in the place of x, okay, in the place of x, the answer, okay, the answer that I am getting is 0, right? So therefore I can say where P of minus 2 is 0 of the polynomial, okay, 0 of the given polynomial I can say, but here 0 of the polynomial. Clear? Clear with zeros of polynomial. If they give these both values, then what you do? Try to substitute the value in this given equation, then immediately we will be getting one answer. So here you have 0. You got 0. 3 else. Okay, if here it is 3, then what would you do? If here it is minus 3, then what would you do? No, this is not a zero of polynomial. We can state like that. Okay, so this is what happens. Now let me go for the next one. You have check whether, let's go for 2 now, where my 2, okay, where p of 2 equals to p of x. Actually the given equation is what? P of x equals to x power 4 minus 16, where p of 2 equals to 2 power 4 minus 16. Where 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, right? Directly where all the numbers are positive. In chart, like all the numbers are positive. So therefore I can say plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16. So 16 minus 16 gives what? 0. So therefore when P of 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Clear? P of 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay? Let's go for this fifth question. Check whether here the fifth question is also similar to this. They have given two values. Now you what to do? You try to substitute the values in this given equation. So they already have given the equation. If equations and numbers are given, what you do? You do simple process is nothing but you try to take the value and place in that value. Then here forms something like an equation. Here forms a sum. Then you try to solve that sum. So this is the process that we do for or to check the equation, check the zeros. Okay. So in the further exercises we will be getting like find the zeros. Okay, find the zeros. Then that would be the other method. So first the given question is what? Check whether 3 and minus 2 are the zeros of polynomial. Also are zeros of polynomial for the given equation, where the equation is what? For the given equation, where the equation is what? When p of x or when p of x equals to x square minus x minus 6. X square minus x minus 6. So here you have x square and here you already have another x. Okay. So here where p of x, right? So what you do to solve this type of equations? What I have said just now, just try to substitute the value in the p of x form. So what you do here, the given equation is what? Where p of x equals to x square minus x minus 6. Clear? Where p of x, instead of x, what you do? Try to add one value. So here they have given two numbers. So I would like to take 3 firstly. So where p of 3 equals to what? So here instead of x value I have taken what? Where x equals to 3. I have considered x equals to 3. Then I have placed x value as 3, where p of x equals to 3 square minus 3 minus 6. Clear? 3 square minus 3 minus 6. Where 3 square means 9 minus 3 minus 6. What happens? 6 plus 3 minus 9, right? So 9 is 6 plus 3 9, right? So minus 3 minus 6 minus 10. So here 9 minus 10 equals to 0. So therefore p of 3 is 0. Is zeros of polynomial. Clear? When p of 3 is the zeros of polynomial. Next, let's go for the second one. Here you have minus 2. Now what you do? Substitute. Now place minus 2 instead of this. Place minus 2 over here. P of minus 2. P of minus 2 equals to minus 2 whole square minus of minus 2. Because here you have minus 6. So minus of minus 2 minus 6. Okay. Minus 2 whole square means 4. Minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus, so 4. Minus into minus plus, so plus 2 minus 6. Clear? 4 plus 2, 6. So 6 minus 6, 0. So yeah, we got what? Where minus 2. So therefore, where p of 2, for in the given equation, therefore the p of 2 is also a 0 of polynomial. So I can say is 0 of polynomial. Okay, so therefore I can say where p of 3 and p of minus 2. Sorry. Where p of 3 and p of minus 2 is the zeros of polynomial. Clear? Thank you.